You ain't doing dumb shit. 653 King Street, please.
Okay, give me one moment to pull that up. All right, and tell me exactly what happened.
My two sons around here fighting. One of them got a gun. Will you please say something right around here quick?
My partners are getting help on the way while we're speaking. All right, and then if you could just repeat that address for me, just for verification.
653 King Street.
Dispatch all units, stand by for tone. Dispatch available team 1 unit, starting en route to 653 King Street, 653 King Street. Callers advising that the sons are fighting and one of them has a gun. 653 King Street, we're still gathering.
115 dispatch, we're after that for this call that I'm on back in the queue. 159.
Copy.
169.
Copy.
Dispatch, what's the cross streets for that?
It's going to be the crosstown and the line.
92 over here out.
Copy. Dispatch units en route to 653 King Street. Your first suspect is going to be a black male, 30 to 35 years old, with a black hoodie. He's tall. He's going to be the one who has the weapon. His name is Andrew Williams. He's one of the sons. I'm still waiting on the other's description.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Copy, shots fired.
Dispatch, we have shots fired in line in King Street.
Copy.
Alright.
Channel 1's going to be an emergency.
106, shots fired. Let's break down. Hey, Jack 4 dispatch. Sorry to see EMS, shots fired.
Copy, start EMS.
Recording.
Get your hand out of your pocket now. Get your gun down. Hey, put the gun down. Hey, it's right on his right hand. His right hand. His right hand. Hey, back up, back up, back up. It's right on his right hand. Back up, back up. Don't touch the gun. Here, let's go hands. Let's go hands. Let's go hands. Let's go hands. Here, you get it. It's right by the right hand. And don't touch the gun. Let's go, cuss. Attack 4 dispatch. Start to see him, gonna have shots fired. Just leave it there. Hey, where are you shot? Where are you shot? Where are you shot? Roll him over, roll him over. Hey, it's gonna be right in the chest. Hey, grab your trauma kit. Grab chest seals. I'll be right back. Blue shot away. Suspect is down. Gunshot wound to the chest. What? Hey, show me. Hey, take your hands. Show me your hands. Hey, show me your hands. Hey, show me your hands. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket. Hey, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Please don't move. Drop the gun. Please don't move. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Hey, back up. Back up. Hey, please drop the gun. Please drop the gun. I'll go hands. I got hands. I got hands. I got hands. Right by the right hand. Hey, don't touch the gun. Let's go, Gus. Yep. Attack 4 dispatch. Start to see him, man. Shots fired. Just leave it there. Hey, where are you shot? Where are you shot? Where are you shot, man? Roll him over, roll him over. Right in the chest. Hey, yeah, blue shot away. Hey, get a chest seal. Chest seal. Do you have chest seal? I'll be right back.